In today's video, I'll be discussing the differences between Hatch Restore and Rest Plus. Stay tuned till the end to hear my final verdict on which is better. Let's start by examining their differences. The main difference between Hatch Restore and Rest Plus is their target market. Hatch Restore is designed for adults who need help winding down after a busy day. It offers more customization options, including breathing exercises and guided meditation to help you relax. Additionally, it doubles as a nightlight suitable for reading. On the other hand, Rest Plus is tailored more towards babies. It has fewer customization options and lacks features like guided meditation and breathing exercises. Make sure to check out YouTube's recommended products on the screen or down in the description, as they are related to this video and may provide you with extra help with what's been discussed so far. They are usually quite cheap and are unique to this video, so it might be worth checking out. Anyway, back to the tutorial. Breathing exercises. Its primary function is to manage sleep patterns, but it also serves as a baby monitor. Therefore, if you need a sleep device with more adult-oriented functionality, Hatch Restore is the ideal choice. In terms of portability, Hatch Restore is less portable because it requires a power cord for its sound and light functions, making it less reliable when you need to move or if there's no electricity. Rest Plus, however, is more portable and travel-friendly since it is a cord-free model with a rechargeable battery that lasts up to 8 hours on a single charge. When it comes to sound and light options, Hatch Restore offers over 20 light options and 25 sounds, with the potential to access more sounds through a premium membership. Rest Plus, while creating a good sleeping environment for kids, has limited options with 11 soothing sounds and 10 presets in its light library. Thus, Hatch Restore is more suitable if you want a wider selection of lights and sounds. Despite these differences, both devices share some similarities. They are both compatible with Alexa, allowing for voice control. Additionally, they both require a Wi-Fi connection and feature a dimmable clock. To sum up, which is better, Hatch Restore or Rest Plus? I prefer bringing Rest Plus when my family travels because it helps my toddler sleep better. However, Hatch Restore offers more functionality and customization options, including guided meditation and breathing exercises that help me relax before sleep. That's why I choose Hatch Restore as the clear winner. Feel free to check out the products from the links in our description. Thanks for watching.